Bienvenido. ¿Estás buscando los mejores gadgets de cocina? ¡Genial! Porque nosotros seleccionamos para ti los mejores gadgets de cocina de Amazon y AliExpress. Estos increíbles gadgets de cocina te ahorrarán muchísimo tiempo. Si quieres comprar alguno, pincha en el enlace de la descripción. Estos gadgets te convertirán en todo un chef. Disfruta del vídeo y gracias por vernos.
Let's talk roasting laurel. It's one of the healthiest ways of roasting any piece of protein or vegetables in your oven. It moves in any direction. You can bend it into a circle, an S, a W, great for filet mignons, incredible for pork loins, but let's face it, we talk to roasting laurel, the first thing that comes into our minds is the oven stuff, a roasted chicken or a turkey. So let's talk about it. It sits out of its own natural fats, so the food isn't sitting in fat. It cooks a little bit faster because it's elevated off the pan. It makes cleaning your roasting pan so much easier. It goes up to 500 degrees in the oven, and it's dishwasher safe. It's one of my favorite roasting products on the market. This is the roasting laurel.
Introducing the Oster Hand Mixer with heat-soft technology. With Oster Hand Mixer, there's no wait to bake. Innovative heat-soft technology allows you to soften cold butter while mixing in one simple step. By using gentle, warm air, the Oster hand mixer quickly brings cold butter to room temperature. The key to fluffier results is using room temperature butter. Using cold or melted butter can affect the quality of your baked good. Using melted butter results in confections that are too flat and deflated, but soft, room temperature butter is just right for making fluffy baked goods. And now you can do it faster with the power of heat-soft technology. The Oster hand mixer softens butter 12 times faster, so there's no wait to bake. The versatile 7-speed control allows you to handle any type of batter, and the burst of power button gives you the extra boost needed when tackling especially thick batters. An easy eject button makes for quick and convenient cleanup, and the removable magnetic nozzle is dishwasher safe. Elevate your baking with the Oster hand mixer with heat-soft technology.